I've deliberately designed today's card so that it should be pretty quick to make. This is the front decorative panel, which I cut out from a blended background, just random colours, and I just cut it out on the silver bullet. And now I need to put it onto my card front. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of this and then use my frame to line it up. Send it into position, press down, remove it from here, turn it upside down onto a clean surface and give it a good press. Looks like I'm going to need some more glue under here. Right, I've got some mini dots I'm going to try. Got the bow stuck on. Now what I'm going to do, but you don't have to do, is put some white dots around these shapes. And I'm doing it just because it really does make it look quite pretty. Hopefully you can just about see those dots. And it's literally just touching the pen to the card. There we go. So that's looking pretty good. And I'll finish it off with a few gems and sequins. So there we have the finished card, a few gems, a few sequins, and I think that looks really pretty. Now if you want to, of course, you can add a sentiment, and I would put it down the bottom. But again, because I don't know what occasion I'm going to give this card for, I'll leave the sentiment till later. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like if you like it, subscribe if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to, buy me a cup of coffee. Take care now. Bye bye.